In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the cookie banner on your Wix website. Having a cookie banner is essential to inform visitors about how their data is collected and used, and to comply with privacy regulations. So let's make sure your website is set up properly and responsibly. First things first, head over to the Wix homepage by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. It might take a moment to find, but don't worry, hang in there. From there, you'll want to click on the Settings tab found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you can access a broad array of site management tools, but for now, our main focus is on enabling that cookie banner. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Privacy and Cookies. This section is dedicated to managing cookies, privacy settings, and of course, ensuring compliance with regulations. Click on this to proceed. Now that you're in the Privacy Center, you'll need to find the Add to Site button. Clicking on this will initiate the process of adding the cookie banner to your website. At this point, you may be presented with some terms and conditions or additional information from Wix. Take a moment to read through these if they appear. Once you're ready, click on the Agree and Add button. Great job! You've successfully added the cookie banner to your site. But wait, we're not done just yet. To make the cookie banner align with your site's design and communication style, we'll want to customize its appearance and functionality. For this, go ahead and select Banner Customization. This is where you can adjust the look and feel of your cookie banner to better fit with your website's theme. Next, you'll see an option for Advanced Settings. Clicking here allows you to dive deeper into more technical options, giving you greater control over how the banner operates. This is crucial for those who want to ensure that their site is not only visually harmonious, but also fully functional under specific conditions. After that, make sure to click on Language. Here you can choose the language in which your cookie banner will be displayed. This is particularly useful if you have an international audience, making sure every visitor can understand its content in their preferred language. Finally, let's look at text labels. In this section, you can modify the text that's shown on your cookie banner. Personalizing this text can make your website appear more professional and aligned with your audience's expectations. Once you're satisfied with all the customizations, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your hard work is duly updated on the site. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and customized the cookie banner on your Wix website. This not only enhances user experience, but also keeps your site within legal requirements. Thank you for watching, and now you're one step closer to a more secure and compliant website.